Good morning. Welcome to the, and say it with me. Welcome to the Dr. Donaldson Show. We're here to help you over the next couple of weeks know what you need to do, when you need to do, and how you need to do.
Yep.
Okay. First of all, let's be careful here. First of all, you have to log into your email account. If you don't remember how to do that, it is firstname.lastname@capstoneclassical.org. The password is here for you if you've not logged in yet. Once you log into
No. The password listed is your first two initials, your SSID number, and CCA, all lowercase.
Where do we get our SSID number, Mrs. Donaldson?
See this pretty little thing? It has it on your badge if you don't know where to find it.
So your initials, your number, CCA.
If you forget your password, you get one chance to reset it with me. Call the front office. Mrs. Adams will get you transferred to me and we'll get it corrected.
One time. That means you write it down. Then, once you're into your email, you're going to go up to those 9 little buttons up in the top. Some people call it hamburger, some people call it 9 dots. You go up to the 9 dots, you click on that, and then you select the classroom that you're going into. You've already been invited to your Google Classrooms, so all you have to do is join. Once you join your Google Classroom, you'll see all of your assignments listed for you to do.
Not that hard.
Nope, you can do it because you're awesome. So what are we looking for? What does this whole thing look like? You know, a lot of you kids have siblings at home, have younger siblings that you kind of maybe have to babysit while mom and dad are at work. So we're not expecting you to, at 8:30 be in your math class and at 10:20 be in your humanities class. You can't do that. You have to share the computer. So really, purposefully, you need to sit around the table with siblings that are sharing computers. Then you need to put together a schedule that says, for instance, student number 1 gets to be on from 8:30 to 9:30, and student number 2 from 9:30 to 10:30. Make a schedule for your family. Once you've done that, you need to go into your classrooms and pick your assignments that you're going to be working on each day. If you can print them out, go ahead and print them out. You don't need to do it on the computer if you don't have to. If it's something that you have to do, like watch a video and write a paragraph or whatever, then do it. But if it's something that will take more time than what you have, print out the assignment and then go ahead and handwrite it. Take a picture with a cell phone. Upload it to your class. You don't have to do everything right on the Google Classroom is the point. You have to submit to Google Classroom because we have no other way to grade your work. But you don't have to be in front of the computer 4 hours a day. We would prefer you not. So what are we looking for? We're looking for about an hour of work from each of your core classes. And once your core classes are done, which are math, science, and language arts, once they're done, then you move to all your other classes. So maybe today, you do a math lesson and you read something for humanities and you answer a discussion for science. Maybe that's what you do. And then you want to go do, spend some time in music because your music class starts today. Keep in mind, everybody moved their courses for the arts today. So you really need to sign into that and know what is going to be happening in that class. So if you spend 2-3 hours in your cores and then go off to do all of your extras, you have more than enough work to do at home and you should have more than enough time. There are not time requirements except for the fact that we are going to be looking at your core classes every day. So our science teachers, math teachers, and humanities teachers are going to be taking the attendance. And the way that will be done is we will determine if you have attended your classes by whether you answer a discussion post, submit an assignment, or communicate with your class. So that could be like on the stream, you're asking a question. How do I get into this? Not sure how to do this. You're there. You have now communicated.
But wait,
So,
wait. I have a question.
Yes.
What if I can't do my assignments until 7 o'clock tonight because I'm watching my siblings?
That's perfectly fine. Sign on, get your assignments, and leave a note for your teacher that says, I've printed out this assignment. I'll be on here tonight at 7 o'clock. Our attendance for today will not be taken till tomorrow. So tomorrow, the core teachers will look to see, because it could take maybe your time on the computer is 9 to 11. I'm not looking at 4 o'clock to see whether or not you did your schoolwork. I don't know what your house is like. So each day we want you to complete something. You're going to move along in your coursework. And then the next day, your mentors will look to see if you've signed in or handed something in.
Okay.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Okay. If you can't figure something out, it is your job to communicate. You are being graded on your work. You can't figure something out. You don't know how to do it. You're confused as to what to click. Go back to your email and email your teachers. Now, every single teacher has their email on our website. So when you go to the website and you go to people, click on people, and you'll see all of the teachers listing. Their emails are right there. You just have to click on that email. And then email them and ask them what it is you need. It's also available in your Google Classroom. So if you go and look at everybody in your Google Classroom, you'll see your teachers at the top. I know I'm one of them. And you email one of your teachers or all of your teachers. I'm going to ask you this, please. All 200 of you. When you email your teacher for help, please don't email all teachers. Please don't email me your questions. Let your mentor answer those for you. Now, if it's internship class, you kind of have to email me. But anything else, let your mentors answer for you. Please don't have me having to see all of your questions. Thank you. Next up, we're going to play a little game.
How well do you think you know us?
Some of you think you know us really well. But our game show is basically going to determine who knows us the best. So if you email a correct answer to Mrs. Donaldson, then your name's going to get put in for a prize. Every day, you need to be logging on your email and looking at the morning announcements.
Mm-hmm. But that's not it.
So here we are. The entire school is studying the Renaissance period right now. Where are we? If you think you know, email Mrs. Donaldson and we'll put you in the drawing. Have a great day!
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.